Hey guys, welcome back. And in today's video, I'll be talking about ADP Payroll Software, a global provider of payroll and human resource management software and services, and look at the features of ADP Payroll Software and how it can benefit your business. But before we begin, if at any point you find yourself wanting to try ADP, you'll find links in the description down below. And if I do find any discounts, I'll make sure to include them in the description there as well. Now, one of the core features of ADP Payroll Software is its payroll processing capabilities, which is designed to streamline the payroll process and make it easier for businesses to manage their employees' paychecks. Also, ADP Payroll Software makes it easy to process payroll by automating many of the steps involved in the process. It allows you to easily input employee hours, calculate wages, and manage employee deductions. And so with just a few clicks, you can run payroll and pay your employees accurately and on time. Now, the software offers a range of payroll processing features that make it easy to manage payroll tasks such as direct deposit, tax filing, and wage garnishment. First, direct deposit is a convenient way to pay your employees, and ADP Payroll Software makes it easy to set up and manage. So your employees can receive their paychecks directly into their bank accounts, saving them time and a lot of hassle. Additionally, tax filing is another important payroll processing feature offered by ADP Payroll Software, which ensures that your business stays compliant with tax laws and regulations by automatically calculating and filing payroll taxes on your behalf. This can help you avoid penalties and fines for non-compliance. Also, wage garnishment is a feature that's particularly useful for businesses that need to withhold wages from an employee's paycheck due to a court order or a legal judgment. ADP Payroll Software makes it easy to set up and manage wage garnishment orders, ensuring that your business complies with legal requirements while managing your employees' paychecks. In addition to processing payroll, ADP Payroll Software also offers a variety of features to help businesses manage their employees. These features can streamline tasks, improve communication, and increase overall productivity. Starting with SelfService, which allows employees to access their payroll information, benefits, and other important company information. Also, employees can update their personal information, view pay stubs, and request time off without having to go through a manager or an HR representative. This not only saves time for the employees, but also for the HR team. Additionally, managers can easily track employees' hours worked, overtime, and PTO accruals using the time and attendance tracking. It can also automatically calculate overtime and holiday pay, which can save managers a lot of time and reduce errors. ADP Payroll Software also offers performance management tools such as goal setting and performance tracking. Managers can set goals for their employees, offer feedback on their performance, and track their progress over time, which helps improve employee engagement and motivation, which can ultimately lead to better performance and results. Now, ADP is designed to help businesses stay compliant with laws and regulations. The software includes a range of features to help businesses manage compliance, including compliance alerts, ACA reporting, and new hire reporting. First, ADP Payroll Software offers compliance alerts to help businesses stay up to date with changing laws and regulations. The software automatically generates alerts when compliance issues arise, such as changes in tax laws or regulations that affect payroll processing. Additionally, it helps businesses manage their Affordable Care Act ACA reporting requirements. The software tracks and reports employee data required by the ACA, including employee hours worked, insurance coverage status, and more, which can save businesses a lot of time and effort when it comes to ACA compliance. Also, ADP Payroll Software helps businesses stay compliant with new hire reporting requirements, which automatically generates and submits new hire reports to the appropriate state agencies, ensuring that businesses remain in compliance with state regulations. ADP Payroll Software also offers robust reporting and analytics capabilities. First, one of the key reporting features in ADP Payroll Software is the ability to generate standard reports. These reports offer businesses with key information about their payroll and employees, such as payroll summaries, tax summaries, and employee earnings summaries. It also allows businesses to customize these reports to fit their specific needs. Another reporting feature is the dashboard analytics, which offers real-time insights into key performance indicators or KPIs related to payroll and employee management. The dashboard also allows businesses to track trends and identify areas for improvement, such as reducing overtime or improving employee retention. Additionally, ADP Payroll Software offers a variety of customizable reports that can be generated on demand or scheduled for automatic delivery. These reports can be tailored to provide information about specific aspects of payroll and employee management, such as benefits usage, time and attendance tracking, and turnover rates. All in all, ADP Payroll Software is a comprehensive and reliable solution for businesses looking to streamline their payroll and HR management processes. And so, using ADP Payroll Software can offer several benefits, including improved accuracy, increased efficiency, and reduced administrative workload. So important. Additionally, the software's reporting and analytics features allows businesses to gain valuable insights into their workforce and make informed decisions based on data. If you own a business looking for a comprehensive payroll and HR solution, then ADP is your top choice. So that's going to be it for this video. Again, if you're interested in ADP, you find links to pricing and discounts if I happen to find any, as well as an in-depth review in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you guys have any questions, as I'd love getting to interact with you. And of course, like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful, or if you'd like to stay up to date with future videos. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.